Welcome to today's dashboard presentation. Welcome to today's dashboard presentation. Use this when starting a dashboard presentation. This dashboard shows our sales performance. This dashboard shows our sales performance. Use this when introducing a sales dashboard. Let's look at the key metrics. Let's look at the key metrics. Use this when explaining the most important KPIs. Sales increased by 15%. Sales increased by 15%. Use this when presenting positive sales growth. Revenue exceeded our target. Revenue exceeded our target. Use this when the business has achieved more than its goal. This chart shows the monthly trend. This chart shows the monthly trend. Use this when explaining a trend chart. Please focus on this visual. Please focus on this visual. Use this to direct attention to a specific chart or graph. The filters have been applied. The filters have been applied. Use this after selecting filters on a dashboard. Let's compare this quarter with the previous quarter. Let's compare this quarter with the previous quarter. Use this when analyzing quarterly performance. Customer satisfaction has improved. Customer satisfaction has improved. Use this when presenting positive customer feedback results. The dashboard updates automatically. The dashboard updates automatically. Use this when explaining an automated report. This KPI is below the target. This KPI is below the target. Use this when discussing performance that needs improvement. Let's drill down into the details. Let's drill down into the details. Use this when exploring more detailed data in a report. The data comes from multiple sources. The data comes from multiple sources. Use this when explaining where the dashboard data originates. This report provides real-time insights. This report provides real-time insights. Use this when describing a live or frequently refreshed dashboard. Please check the regional performance. Please check the regional performance. Use this when reviewing results by region or location. We identified a new business opportunity. We identified a new business opportunity. Use this when discussing insights found through analysis. The forecast looks positive. The forecast looks positive. Use this when presenting optimistic future projections. I'll explain the next visual. I'll explain the next visual. Use this when moving to another chart during a presentation. The results are easy to understand. The results are easy to understand. Use this when highlighting the clarity of a dashboard. Do you have any questions about the dashboard? Do you have any questions about the dashboard? Use this after completing your presentation. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Use this to politely thank your audience at the end. I'll share the dashboard after the meeting. I'll share the dashboard after the meeting. Use this when promising to send the report later. Let's review the action items. Let's review the action items. Use this when discussing the next steps after the presentation. Thank you for joining today's presentation. Thank you for joining today's presentation. Use this as a professional closing statement.